All right, we're at 517, and if you watched 516, there was a cliffhanger. I asked the stupid joke of the day. What did the traffic light say to the car? What'd he say? Don't look, I'm changing. Okay, that was a stupid joke. All right, now, on to serious matters. The quadratic equation. All right, and because it's so serious, we have given it a song. All right, and you all know the song. If you've been in my class, you've heard it before. All right, so sing along with me if you care to. X equals negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Sing a little faster. Sure, I'll be glad to. X equals negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Sing it in a higher key. Yes, I'll be glad to. X equals negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. All right. So, do you think you have it? I hope so, because that is some awful singing. All right. So, I have 2x squared from number 4 minus 3x minus 5 equals 0. Okay, now I have a is 2, b is negative 3, c is negative 5. Now, what do we also call c? The y-intercept, where it crosses the y-axis. Okay, so now, since I know a, I know b, I know c, all I have to do is plug it in up here. All right, so negative b minus negative 3. Okay, plus or minus square root, okay, of b squared. So that's negative 3 squared minus 4, okay, times 2 times negative 5, all over 2 times 2. All right, so minus the negative 3 is 3. Plus or minus the square root of 3 squared is 9. Okay, minus 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times negative 5 is negative 40. So that's minus a negative 40, or it turns into a positive 40. All over 4. Okay, so now that I see there's my square root, so now I have 3 plus or minus the square root of 49 over 4, or how could I say it? 3 plus or minus 7 over 4. So 3 plus 7 is 10, and I have 10 over 4, which reduces to 5 over 2. That's my 1. Then 3 minus 7 is negative 4 over 4 is equal to negative 1. So 5 over 2 and negative 1. Okay, those are my solutions. All right, where they cross the x-intercept, where they are called the roots, okay, or the zeros. Okay, now 6. All right, I have 2x squared, okay, plus 3x minus 20 equals 0. Okay, so I have a is 2, b is 3, c is negative 20. All right, so now let's do the quadratic equation. Okay, x equals negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. All right, so now I have negative 3 plus or minus. Let's clean this up. 9, 8 minus negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. Negative 8 times negative 20 is negative 1 is a positive 160. So I have 9 plus 160 all over 4. So now I have negative 3 plus the square root of 169 over 4. Okay, so now I have negative 3 plus or minus the square root of 169 is 13 all over 4. So negative 3 plus 13, okay, that's going to be a positive 10 over 4. We remember that. That reduces to 5 over 2. Then I have a negative 3 minus 13, is negative 16 over 4 or a negative 4. Okay, and those are my solutions. Okay, one more example. All right. Okay, so now I have number 7, okay, which is 4b squared plus 8b plus 7 equals 4. Okay, let me it's kind of jarbled together there. All right, so 7 equals 4. All right, now what do we have to set every single equation up to? What was that? 0, yes. So we have to set it up equal to 0. So now I have 4b squared plus 8b plus 7 minus 4 is 3. Okay, now I still have a, b, and c. All right, so let's write it out here to the side. Or no, we can write it down here. All right, so we have x is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times 4 times 3. Okay, all over 2 times 4 is 8. So I have negative 8 plus or minus 64 minus 16 times 3 is 48. So we have 64 minus 48, okay, all over 8. Or that's going to be negative 8 plus or minus, that's 64 minus 48 is 16. So I have the square root of 16 over 8. And I will let you finish. Okay, but your answers are going to be negative 8 plus 4. Okay, that's going to be negative 4 over 8, which is negative 1/2. Okay, and then negative 8 minus 4, which is negative 12 over 8. Negative 12 over 8, dividing by 4. Okay, that's going to be negative 3 over 2. And those are my answers. Negative 3 over 2, okay, and negative 1/2. All right, so that's help for 517. I wish you the best. Good luck. If you have any questions, send me a quote or a text through Remind to say, hey, will you help me with this? And I'll try to email, or I'll try to repost a video to my YouTube channel now. All right, so good luck with it, and see you on Monday.